If you are looking for best mini fridges, this video is for you. Let's get started with the list. Product number 1, most popular IGLOO 3.2 CU Fort Platinum Fridge. Best-selling mini fridge in the United States. The IGLOO 3.2 cubic feet fridge is a smart option if you are looking for a solid, good quality fridge for both indoor and outdoor use. This fridge comes in different colors and is supplied by a freezer and a cooler for excellent performance even in hot climate. It's supplied with an adjustable thermostat to control the temperature and have the best results. Perfect little fridge. This is a great product and at a great price. There is lots of space in the freezer section. It's not a shallow freezer or a little box, it's deep and has a little space on the freezer door. Product number 2, Danby DAR017A2 BDD Compact All Refrigerator. Danby DAR017A2 BD is a 1.7 cubic feet bestseller mini fridge with the weight of only 44 pounds. This compact fridge is perfect for personal use in dorm rooms, working offices, or anywhere else where you need to have a cold drink each once in a while without having to go outside and buy it. Danby DAR017A2 BD. This refrigerator was designed to store cans, bottles and fuel. This excellent refrigerator contains strong batteries so that you can use it in places where there is no electricity like picnics, road trips and outside parties. Danby DAR017A2 BD is an Energy Star unit, which means it's energy saving and efficient at the same time thanks to its good reputation alongside with its good prices. Is it noisy? No, it's extremely quiet. In fact, when you turn it on you might think it's not functioning yet until you put your hand on the compressor and feel the cold fresh stream coming through your hand. Product number 3, Gourmia GMF 600B Portable 6-can Mini Fridge. Manufactured by Thermoelectric Ltd. This 4.6 pounds fridge is a good choice for those who like to eat or drink at their desks or on the road, or if you are one of those guys who just need a fresh drink each once in a while in a nearby place for an affordable price. This is the right choice for you. This mini fridge has a cooling and heating mode. You can plug it into your car and use an American outlet, so if you see inside you will find out that fits 6 cans of soda. Product number 4, Danby DBC120 BLS Beverage Center Stainless Steel. We chose this fridge because of the price ratings, the sleek and modern looking, and the coolness factor. We've got to say that we're very pleased with it. This beverage center came double packaged with 3 inches of insulating foam between the shipping container in the box for the item. This fridge cools the beverages to perfection. I do like to keep my drinks ice cold, and even when fully loaded it delivers excellent performance. The removable shelves provide flexible storage layouts. The glass front is tinted for UV ray filtration and gives it a high-end look, and also has an automatic halogen light that comes on when you open the door or can be set to be always on. One more great thing I love about this appliance is it runs very quiet. Sometimes I don't even notice it running, and it doesn't even run that often. Overall, this fridge looks great and works great. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.